That'll do it, Pascal. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Woodlefoot, and I'm back with a reaction time video, baby. Anyway, this video right here is about the Euphrates River. The Euphrates River, it seems to be drying up, right? And there's some scriptures that speak about the Euphrates River being used along with the Tigris River. Don't quote me, I don't remember exactly, but there were some rivers, and Euphrates was one of those rivers that was used to feed people and things like that. But anyway, there was some scripture too that I put on the screen that I want y'all to read into. Y'all can pause it and read it. But yo, y'all check this out. You feel me? This Euphrates River is drying up, and there's some strange noises being heard from beneath the soil or beneath the ground that the Euphrates River was flowing over. So y'all check this out. That'll do it, past cool. It's your boy Whittle for signing out. You gotta let me know what y'all think. Peace. You hear them noises. Why do humans always try to go explore something, bro? You're supposed to just leave certain things alone. Feel me? Look at humans going to tamper with. You hear some noises like that? I am not digging for nothing, y'all. Okay, y'all, shifting gears. My next clip is what y'all seeing on the screen is a LGBTQ festival. They're the only ones that rock with the rainbow. But you got a cross dresser on stage performing and throwing performers on stage with blood on them, on the person, and they throwing tampons into the crowd. Like, what is up with these people, bro? I don't understand their agenda. I don't understand. I mean, I'm never going to agree with the lifestyle because they do stuff like this that's just straight strange and it's weird. But I don't understand. LGBTQ, y'all got some explaining to do, bro. What are y'all doing? Like, seriously, y'all gotta explain this to me, man. For real. Can anybody make out that song? Please let me know what they saying. That'll do it, Pascal. Just ended the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if y'all want to share it. Put them post notifications on when I drop a new video. It's your boy Dado with Pascal. It's your boy Woodford signing out. Peace.